This video is about onewordreader.com, and it's a helpful tool to read faster and more efficiently. So say you have an article you want to read, you can just copy it and then paste it into here, and then say maybe 500 words per minute's a bit fast. You can change it to 300, for example, and then just click start. So the whole premise is that it's just one word at a time, and it's easier to keep up since your eyes don't have to keep moving across the lines. And it's very simple to just start and stop, or if you want to change like the timing, say I want 2 seconds for each period, or 1 second per comma. Thanks for watching.